Me and glow down.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much.
It's a rainy day in Georgia.
For my car, 600,000.
Baby, a girl be glowing, right?
I can get one vehicle.
Me and glow down. Wait. Hi guys, welcome back to our vlog. I have a pimple right here though. You know, see it?
I just want to get to it. Alright.
You're so slack on the thing. I don't know your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Bricks bomb, bricks. I want my call up my chopper phone. Hanging around. Ah, God. Oh, God. Hi, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. So today is a rainy day. Heading in town. I'm going to see if I can capture a few stuff. I'm not sure I'm going to come out of the vehicle, but I'll see what I capture for you today. Today's a rainy day outside, but it's still a beautiful day because I really like when the rain falls. The rain pours. You like when the rain falls? Why?
Not every day like this.
I like when the rain pours. Like, keep me cool. Like, me there under AC. I'm a love AC, so yeah. So, me checking back with them things.
Diamond on the chest plate. When you come and wait, let me explain. If you love, I'm a press play. Up with the last, but till the next day. Our move on a chess game. Turn it in the head just for the next wheel.
Yes, guys, so basically it's raining a lot today. I won't be able to go outside because you just know that I recover. I did sick last week. I don't want to wait up and get sick or nothing like that. So basically I'm just going to use the time out now to tell you just a little bit about what I've been doing in my quarantine time. And you know how I've been holding up, you know, things that have been happening, you know, ups and downs and stuff like that. So since quarantine, I basically don't work a 9-to-5 job anymore. You know, one of the things that I always ask God for is, God, I want to work from home full time. I don't want to be going to a 9-to-5 job, not knowing that it would come in this fashion. So now I just have to try and step up and do my online stuff as best as possible. You guys know I do logos. So if you are starting a business, I can definitely design your logo for you. I also do virtual assistant. I'm a virtual assistant, so if you need somebody to handle like your social media, you know, create posts and stuff like that, set appointments and stuff like that, I'm a virtual assistant as well, so you can definitely contact me for that. I'm also a voice actor, so if you have a business, right, and you need an advertisement, definitely you can reach out to me. I create ads through voiceover, and if you want video animation to go with it and stuff like that, I can create that for you as well. So those are some of the things that I have been doing online. You know, I own my business, Skylife Fitness Solution. I still have a few belts left in stock. Most of them are sold off, but you can definitely reach out to me and you know, inquire what I have. I'm just so grateful that over the years I have try to do stuff to improve myself so I can have additional income coming in. I'm grateful for that. So thank you guys for motivating me over the years and believing in me. Subscribing to my channel means so much. You know, wouldn't even know. I've been through so much on this channel. I've had some of my lowest points on this channel. Even at points I left the channel, not uploading and anything, and when I came back, you guys were here. You know, so big up on yourself. You know, thank God for healing. Thank God for the healing process. It's such an important process to go through in life, so that you can, you know, become a better version of yourself. For a very long time, I always talk about it, for a very long time I used to ask God, God going make me feel normal again. And over the years, I've learned a new normal. You know, I'm just so grateful and happy that I'm at a stage now where, you know, I'm good in myself, you know, most days, you know, so I do my little farming stuff, I plant my seed them and try to wait, and I'm waiting on them now to like germinate and stuff like that, so I'm very excited about that. And yeah, I've just been living, trying to live my best life as much as possible. With you guys subscribing to my channel, it's a very, very, very big help to me. So subscribe, leave a comment, say something nice in the comment section. You know, let's have a conversation. I want to engage with you guys more and base things. So, you know, big up on yourself on a rainy day here. I am looking forward to, you know, documenting my growth as a person, you know, up and down, sharing inspiration and stuff like that with you guys, because life is always about transitioning, you know, moving to the next level and stuff like that. And I've learned that over time. The right people will find you and stick with you, the wrong ones will leave, you know. So try to just always be the best version of yourself, and you will attract the right people. You know, I've learned that to be true. So yeah, big up on yourself. I feel vlog. Guys, if you look good, you see where it's raining, like right there, stuff like that. So guys, the rain kind of wall up, but it's still a bit blurry today. I'm on the bottom road. Face scanty, normally the hip strip full, but it's not full right now and stuff. Hold on there. Lighting look weird. Anyways, the lighting look weird. You gonna come and record me? So this is where I basically end the vlog. We're gonna come back down. I'm going to yard. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely leave a comment in the comment section box below, and I'll see you on the next vlog.